What do you think about learning a digital skill? I know it might seem tough, but actually I'm going to share with you 5 high-earning digital skills that you can learn that can make you a millionaire in little or no time. I'm going to be guiding you through the time frame of learning these skills, and finally I'm going to be unveiling the platforms where you can get jobs that are high paying. Sit back and enjoy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll be starting these skills from the lowest paying to the highest paying. The first skill on our list involves interpreting complex data that will help companies make informed decisions about their businesses. The time frame for learning this ranges between 3 months to 12 months. Data, as we all know, is the new oil, and companies are out there ready to milk out the living daylight out of this data. This has made data analysts to become a very profitable skill to learn. To learn this skill, you are required to do some training of between 3 to 12 months. And maybe you can decide to go in to be more professional in it within the next 1 to 2 years. And then, boom, you are where you want to be. Now, an average data analyst can earn between $3,000 to $10,000 per annum. Let me break it down because I know most of us will want to hear what we can earn monthly. So as a data analyst, you can be able to earn from $100 to $300 per month, depending on how valuable you are to the company. So number 4 on our list is graphics designing plus UI UX. Yes, I know a lot of people will say, UI UX is different from that and graphic designing, but I beg to differ because I've seen so much similarity between the two. I have been privileged to do a little of graphic designing and also a touch of UI UX, and I can say that the both requires design. You can learn the skill within 3 to 4 months. While learning, you can also get jobs. When I mean job, good jobs that you can do as a side hustle while learning. That is the beauty of graphic designing. You can be doing the graphic designing and someone might just say, okay, how far can you help me design 1 or 2 flyers, logos, and maybe product designs and the rest. Sometimes, even as a UI UX designer, you can be tasked to create a web interface or an app interface of a particular app for a startup company and be paid a huge sum of money. This skill is one of the skills that has made a whole lot of Nigerian solopreneurs to become millionaires in little or no time. I would like each and every one of you here that are watching this video who are graphics designers to tell us about your story right there in the comment section. On an average, a graphic designer earns at least a minimum of $50 to a maximum of $200 per job. And imagine you having a job, having up to 4 or 5 jobs in a month. That is a whooping sum of at least $250 and at most $500 in just a month. Let me just finish up with the other skills so that I'll not keep others waiting, and then I'll go straight into the sites where you can get these jobs. And they trust me, they have special sites that are only meant for graphic designer, unlike Fiverr, Upwork, that you have a whole lot of job seekers there with different professions. So these are sites that are meant for your category, be you a graphic designer or a UI UX designer, as I've mentioned earlier. Video editing. Yeah, a lot of people say video editing. Yes, I've seen quite a lot of people that could do great things with their phone, that could edit with CapCut on their phone and they edit a movie with it. Do you know that this is a valuable skill? Do you know that you have just been wasting it on, should I say, TikTok? Yeah, you have. Because a whole lot of you have done editing one way or the other without even knowing that you are actually doing a job that could make you wealthy in a little time once you become a professional at it. Let me bust your bubbles. Do you know that as a video editor, one job can give you as much as $150? I know quite a lot of editors that charge $10 per 1 minute video. Imagine you editing a 30-minute video, maybe possibly like this one I'm doing right now, might be up to 10-15 minutes. Let's do the math. Multiplying 15 by $10, that is $150 per video. And you can have up to 3, 4, 5 jobs. So what are you waiting for? Why are you playing with your phone, earning nothing from it? you should actually be earning from the phone that is giving you that opportunity. Alright, another shocking thing about it is that the time frame for learning video editing is as little as 3 months. I, for one, learned video editing under 2 weeks. My first 2-3 videos were not actually well edited. So once I'm with my gadgets, my phone or my laptop, I will be able to edit, even if it's a 20 minutes video. And trust me, I can do that in 3 days. Now imagine having up to 5 jobs in a month. That will be giving you at least a minimum of $700. Don't you think that's a big thing to get on a little job that you could do even while relaxing in your bed? Now, to the salary expectation, you could earn as little as $150 per video to a maximum of $300 to $500 per video. So next up on my list is digital marketing. Yeah, and digital marketing, to me, I feel is the highest of all. One of the reasons why I think so is because that is what I am actually based on. Digital marketing is being able to promote product or services online. We also have copywriting skills, which is also attached to digital marketing, which is a very great asset. Copyright can make you become a millionaire in little or no time, because let's assume a company gives you their site to promote and tells you that, oh, okay, if you can raise our sales from 1% to 2%, we will give you 10% of whatever commission and whatever profit they've made. Is that not big? Imagine you advertising up to $5 million worth of goods and you are able to sell maybe like $2 million. That's a whooping sum of $200,000 as your commission. The time required for you to get the basic knowledge of digital marketing skills is as little as 3 months to 6 months. Then maybe you can use the remaining 6 months to make yourself very, very proficient at it by doing 1 or 2 campaigns. Also, there are a whole lot of opportunities under digital marketing that could be harnessed individually, like SEO, like website creation using WordPress, like blogging, blog posts, and even social media content creation, maybe using other social media platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and the rest. Now, for the prospect, every business needs a social media presence, and that is why as a digital marketer you are highly needed in the society, because they need it to promote their goods, they need it to promote their site, they need it to even package themselves back to the eyes of the viewers who are the consumers. So that is why as a digital marketer you have the tendency to earn as high as $6,000 a year to $20,000 a year. As per monthly, you as a digital marketer, you can be able to even manage 2 or 3 social media platforms of 3 or 4 companies. And imagine the amount that will be coming into your account if they are paying you, let's say, $200 to $300 per company. That will be a whooping sum of $1,400 per month. So you see that there is high prospects in this job. Moving at number 1, drum rolls. But before I do that, if you are gaining any value from this video, please do endeavor to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that the algorithm might know that this content is actually giving value to viewers and push it out to more viewers like yourself so that we can all become millionaires in little or no time. So number 1 on our list, which is the backbone of all skill, is no other than programming. Yes, I can hear from background a whole lot of people are saying,
the zeros, the 1, how can I do this when I don't even know mathematics? How can I be a programmer when I cannot even do common logic?
Brother, you don't need to be a mathematician to become a programmer. To become a programmer, all you just need to do is to learn the basic skills of programming, like how to design and how to code a design, HTML and CSS, how to style a website or an app. Those are the basic things you just need to know, and these things can be learned at speed, fingertip. Now, let me even surprise you. To learn this, to learn basic programming, you can be able to do that within a space of 6 months. You can split it up, learn HTML and CSS maybe within a month, and come into maybe a framework, maybe Tailwind CSS, for just to make your CSS neater and shorter. Then maybe you move into JavaScript and so on. Before you know, you start going into different frameworks of JavaScript, then maybe possibly go into React. You can also get this courses on Udemy or Coursera. Hello, mind you, this is not a sponsored video. Shout out to Udemy and Coursera. I would love it if you can sponsor my video anytime soon. So, but back to what I'm saying, you can get their courses at a very good and affordable price, and these courses will make you understand that you don't need to be a mathematician to become a programmer. Now to the prospect. Every company now is going into the tech space, from building apps of their own to getting websites of their own to branding their websites to doing different stuff with their applications. The demand for skilled programmers is skyrocketing. At this point, it is the number one most valued skill in Nigeria, although I, as a digital marketer, might decide to contest that because I believe that digital marketers earn more. What do you think about that? Let me know if you agree or not in the comment section. So, skilled programmers can earn from as little as $5,000 to $50,000. Isn't that massive? Yes, it is very, very massive. As a programmer, the least job you should be expecting, maybe if you want to go to a 9 to 5, should be ranging from $1,000 to $3,000 every month. If you do the math, you'll see that you are already heading towards $30,000 or $36,000 by the end of the year. So if you are watching this, take note that the best time to start is now. Okay guys, so for the moment we all have been waiting for, I'm going to talk about where to get your jobs from. Before I go into the specialized side, let me call the random side, which I know most of you know already, like Fiverr, Upwork, Glassdoor, LinkedIn, Indeed, and a whole lot of websites. These are common websites that anyone can just go and get jobs in these 5 digital skills I have mentioned. Now let me go into the professional sites. Now the professional sites I'm talking about, I will start from the number 1, which is programming. Specialized sites like Stack Overflow jobs and also GitHub jobs are sites that are basically meant for programmers. You can go there as a programmer and search for jobs, and you are going to see high income jobs that you could do, ranging from front end, back end, database engineer, cloud engineer, and the rest. But as for specialized marketing jobs, places like Marketing Hire and Media Bistro are sites where you can get professional digital marketing jobs. The third, which is video editing, you can get it at Mandy and Production Hub. Those are sites where you can get video editing jobs. For UI design, you can get it at Coroflot. So as for a data analyst, Cargo Jobs and Data Jobs are professional sites where you can get jobs based on data analysis. So guys, if you have stayed up to this time, I'm giving you a thumbs up. So as I'm giving you this thumbs up, please endeavor to give the video a thumbs up and help it get through to more people that are interested in such content to them. So until next time, stay motivated, keep learning, and remember, every journey begins with a simple step. Subscribe.